Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Not sure if you can hear this. It is raining very heavily outside my condominium. So I want to make a very hearty meal, a hearty dinner, yeah? So I'm going to braise chicken. Somehow, when you use a similar method to braise chicken, braise pork or braise duck, the end result will always come out taste differently. That is very unique, but that's how it is, yeah? So today we are going to braise chicken. I have half a free-range chicken here. This is approximately 1 kg. The whole chicken is about 2 kg. Considered quite big. And then I have 3 hard-boiled egg and also 1 piece of tofu. Or you can also use tau gua, up to you. Then let's look at the braised ingredient. We will need some, this is approximately 1 big tablespoon of chopped fresh coriander roots. Similar amount of chopped garlic. Similar amount of chopped ginger. Similar amount of chopped galangal or blue ginger. If you don't have this, just omit it, no problem. Then slightly more, 2 tablespoons of chopped shallot. When it comes to braised meat, the shallot's flavor is actually more important than anything else. Then we will need a bit of 5 spice powder, some rock sugar. This is the roast rice wine. If you don't have this, you can use normal Shaoxing wine. And of course, we need some light soya sauce and dark soya sauce. First thing first, we want to marinate the chicken with some dark soya sauce and also wine, the cooking wine. Main reason is actually to give it some color first, even before cooking. So this is the dark soya sauce. I'm going to use my hand to rub it all over evenly, yeah. So immediately, it already has some caramelized color, even before we start to cook. Right? Give it some nice massage. Now it's MCO. Appa cannot go for foot massage. So I massage the chicken. Alright, now next thing is you will want to add in some cooking wine. Of course, I'm using the roast cooking wine here. Extra flavor. Later, we will be using this same cooking wine in the braise also. Right. Leave it aside. And we can start cooking. So we start with giving 2-3 tablespoons of oil, vegetable oil. And we are going to saute all the chopped fresh herbs. This is the shallot, the ginger, the garlic, the galangal or blue ginger, the fresh coriander roots. Let me on the cooking hood. Let's saute this for at least a minute or 2 before we continue. Wow, super fragrant. We'll come back shortly. This is after approximately 2 minutes sauteing. You can start seeing some of the garlic started to turn brownish. Now you can add in some hot water. Why hot water? Because in cooking, try not to use more cook. Try not to reduce the temperature of your wok, so that your cooking process can be a lot more consistent. Yeah. Of course, if you really don't have hot water, then you just use normal tap water is fine. Approx has a water dispenser, so it's very helpful for me every day. So let's prepare the braise. Remember just now we have some, this is give about 1 teaspoon of 5 spice powder. Two to 3 tablespoons of roast rice wine. A bit more also can, no problem. Approximately 1 tablespoon of rock sugar. Two to 3 tablespoons of light soya sauce. Two to 3 tablespoons of black soya sauce. I can add more light soya sauce if I want to later, yeah? Right. So basically you want to prepare the braised broth. We can actually give it a little bit of salt. For half teaspoon. You don't have to put in sugar already because I already added the rock sugar. So you can see it is now boiling. And it's super fragrant. We can now add in the chicken. Of course, it would be great if you can have the broth good enough to submerge the whole chicken, but I can't. I don't have it today. It's okay, we will flip it over later. So I'm putting in the tofu together with the hard-boiled egg. So I'm going to let it cook for a couple of minutes before I flip it over to the other side. Then we will let it simmer. We will come back shortly. Now if you want to make your broth even more flavorful, you can actually add about at least 1 to 2 tablespoons of fried garlic. This will help to make your broth a lot more flavorful. And it will really make a difference, trust me. So now we can actually carefully turn the chicken over. Right. Then I'm going to close it with a lid, tune down to medium low, and let it simmer for a minimum 20 to 25 minutes. So we will come back after this. I suddenly hear someone shouting, "Appa, you forget something." Okay, let's put it now. Cinnamon stick, star anise. I'm going to put in 2 star anise here. Okay. One piece of bay leaf. All right. Let it continue cooking. Okay, I just opened the lid and took out the eggs and also the tofu. You can see the broth has actually reduces. This is after about 20, close to 25 minutes. The chicken is definitely fully cooked. So what we can do now, you can see how beautiful it is. Yeah, nicely braised. We can actually take it out, put it onto a plate to let it rest. Let it cool down a bit, then only you cut it. Yeah. Off the fire. Now if you would like to make some thickened broth, what you can do is you can take out some of the broth from here and put on high heat, cook it for a couple of minutes to thicken it, or you can actually put on, or you want to put some cornstarch solution also can. Now for appa, I don't want it to be too thickened, so I will just use this broth straight away. So here's our chicken. Let me zoom, fix the zoom. Okay, it's fixed now. So what you can do is, of course, I did not cut it first, but for when we serve later, you can cut it. So give it some broth. Some fresh coriander on top. Right. There you go. Here's Appa's braised chicken. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do share my video out on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.